I got a call to go over and see a homeowner this morning. It was kind of interesting because the homeowner said that he has a Lennox furnace that was installed in 2009 and he would like another Lennox. But he was requesting a 90,000 BTU furnace. I found that interesting because I never hear that. Homeowners quite often don't know the size of their furnace. They don't know how things are measured. They don't know what their house requires. So when someone says that they need a specific size, it makes me wonder, where did they come up with that? Maybe they already know the size of their furnace and that's what they need. Or maybe they've talked to another contractor and they recommended that size. Maybe they've done some research on AI, or maybe their house just wasn't warm enough and they knew the size of their furnace and they think the next size up might make sense. I have no idea what's going on here, but I'm going to have a look at it. I'll have a conversation with a homeowner and then I'll bring it back to you and I'll tell you what I found. That's part of why I love this job. I just love not knowing what I'm going in to see, and I don't have any preconceived notions. Sometimes it's a big surprise to what I'm going to see. Sometimes everything's just logical and makes sense. So I'll keep you up to date. I'll let you know what I found and we'll go from there. I just finished up with this fella that had the 90,000 BTU furnace, or wanted one. Anyway, as it turns out, his furnace was 90,000 BTU. Had a big old house. Part of it was a log cabin. Part of it had been added on to several times. The ductwork, it's kind of all over the place. I wouldn't really say it's a mess, but it was just added on to so many times that a bigger furnace and a little more power was necessary to push it the distance that the air had to go. I asked him, how did the furnace work before it needed to be replaced? And he'd been there 6 years and he said it worked just fine. There's a few cold spots in the house, far off corners, but other than that, furnace sizing was probably right on. It's interesting when I talk to people like that because they know their house better than I would know it, only visiting them for a few minutes. Very nice guy. He does commercial real estate and he deals with big buildings. So he also understood heating and cooling better than most people. So he asked really good questions. We had a nice conversation. I'll work out the numbers for him. I'll get that back to him as soon as I get back to my desk. And then we'll go from there, see what we can do. So, interesting story. Never want to jump to conclusions because a lot of times there's something going on behind the scenes that I wouldn't be able to figure out unless I asked. Stay warm, stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.